So example C now says 7x over x squared plus 7x plus 10 minus 4 over x plus 5. So be careful with the minus, right? So steps 1 and 2 says factor and state the restriction. So that's exactly what we're going to do. All right, so on the top is going to be, you should be able to factor this on your own, guys. So again, if you need help in factoring, please come in and get help. All right, so the top would be 10, the bottom would be 7, and two numbers multiply equals 10, and add equals 7 would be 5 and 2. Then that means when we rewrite this, x squared plus 5x plus 2x plus 10. So this is going to be x squared. Then we are going to, not x squared. Oh, don't do that. Take out an x. My bad. Then we're left with x plus 5 will be here. It's a positive, so you have positive 2, left with x plus 5. So for this one, guys, we have factors on the bottom of x plus 5 times x plus 2. On the right fraction, 4 over x plus 5, that is not factorable anymore, but I am going to put parentheses around. I tend to put parentheses around all binomials, so we know that it's going to be together. All right, restrictions are this one and this one, right? And this is the same as the x plus 5. So x can never ever be negative 5, guys. And this one, x can never ever be negative 2. So currently, those are the two restrictions. All right, let's state the LCD or find the LCD. Lowest common denominator, okay? Since there is one x plus 5 from each fraction, we are going to take just one of those, okay? Now, if you need a reminder why we only take one, let's roll up really quickly about this one, right? When we have one of each here, 2 over 3 plus 1 over 6, our LCD is 6 because we only take 1, 3, and we only take 1, 2, okay? We don't take 2 of them if they are repeating from each side. So now let's go back to where I was. Okay, so we have x plus 5 on each side. So we take 1 x plus 5 as part of our LCD. Then we have your 1x plus 2. There's no x plus 2 here, so that will also be part of our LCD. So now we have an LCD of the quantity of x plus 5 times x plus 2. So next is we are going to write two big blank fraction bars, okay? And write your LCD below. So x plus 2, x plus 5 times x plus 2. Oh, this is a minus question, guys, so be careful, minus. All right, so let's see. On the first fraction, we have x plus 5 and x plus 2, which we have as part of our LCD. So we did not multiply the first denominator by anything. So that means we don't multiply the numerator by anything. The second fraction, we have x plus 5 and x plus 5. So the new thing we multiplied was an x plus 2. So what happened is we are also going to multiply the top by x plus 2. Now remember, this is a subtraction question, so you have to be super cautious, okay? I'm going to write down the LCD again, okay? But this time I'm going to do this because I want you to be so careful about minusing. I'm going to write 7x, and I'm going to write minus 4 times the quantity of x plus 2. And then I'm going to distribute, so that way, students, you know that you need to minus this entire numerator back here, okay? So with distribution, negative 4 times x is going to be negative 4x. Negative 4 times positive 2 is going to be a negative 8, and then drop down our x plus 5 and x plus 2. All right, combined like terms is going to say 7 minus 4x is going to be 3x, and then drop down your 8, and then drop down your x plus 5, and then x plus 2, then copy down your restrictions. X can never ever be negative 5 or negative 2. Since 3x minus 8, students, your numerator, they cannot be factored out. So that's as far as we can go. But let me pinch this in so you can see the entire question.